381. What should the COR do if he or she thinks work should be stopped?
To be able to recommend the most cost-effective or practical solution to the problem in terms of the program requirement, the COR should complete the following steps. 1. Determine the impact of a work stoppage. 2. Document a recommendation. 1. Determining the impact of a work stoppage. Work stoppages should occur only after the government has made a determination of the impact they will have. Factors the COR should consider when making this determination might include the estimated cost of delaying the work, any potential effects on labor, for example, loss of skilled labor, loss of efficiency, the potential damage to perishable goods, the estimated effect on overhead, for example, inventory, indirect labor, any adverse effects of the potential delay on contract completion. The COR should determine if there is a stop work order clause in the contract that allows the government to stop work under the contract. Permitting the issuance of stop work orders under a contract does not give the government an unrestrained hand. This provision gives the government the right to impose a delay on the contractor, but the government cannot impose an overly long, unreasonable delay. See the discussion regarding the 90-day limit imposed by FAR Clause 52.24215 under Question 376. In measuring the reasonableness of the delay, the courts and boards will consider the length of the delay balanced against the impact of the delay on the contractor. How long a reasonable period of time is for the government to complete an action under the contract depends entirely upon the circumstances of the particular case. 2. Documenting a recommendation. The COR may be asked to prepare documentation for the stop work order. This documentation may include the following information: a description of the work to be suspended, guidance on actions to be taken on any subcontracts, effective date and time of work stoppage, the time frame to resume work, the contractor's right to file a claim, the reason and purpose for, and benefits of, stopping the work, any costs associated with the work stoppage, alternatives to stopping the work, if any exist, reasoning behind the determination of the length of time for which work will be stopped. Work stoppage information may be transmitted to the contractor over the telephone, but the COR should immediately follow up this notification in writing.